Welcome back everyone. In this video we will learn about functions. Functions are predefined formula that is already available in Microsoft Excel. Functions are used to perform specific tasks or calculations on your data. Functions are like ready-made formulas designed to make your calculation easier. Excel offers wide range of inbuilt functions that covers various mathematical, statistical, logical, text, date and time, and financial operations. These functions can be used to perform tasks such as summing up values, finding average, counting occurrence, searching for the data, manipulating text, and many more. So let's see some most commonly used functions such as sum, average, count, min, max. So let's move on to the Excel window. I have written some data from cell A2 to A11. Let's find the sum, average, min, max and count of these values. So let's apply sum function equals to sum and select the range of numbers. Close the bracket and hit enter to find the sum of values. To calculate the average of the values equals to average. Selecting the values, close the bracket and hit enter. This is the average value of the given values. Let's find the minimum value from the data equals to min. Selecting values and enter. You will get the minimum value from the values. To find the maximum value from the values equals to max. Selecting values and enter. You will get the maximum value from the data. To count all the numbers, we will use count function equals to count. Selecting values, closing bracket and enter. Result of count function is 10. That means we have 10 values in our data. So that's all about this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.